Today, we're going to be making jerk chicken quinoa salad. This salad does not have a recipe. It is a unique concept based on whatever you have on hand. As we cooked the jerk chicken a couple days ago, I've stripped it to have it ready for use in this dish. The other ingredients include quinoa, and look for the link in the description for the recipe on that. I also have some daikon and carrots, which I've cut up, and I like to keep in the fridge ready for purposes exactly like this. I have a bit of feta cheese, cucumber, I have a green onion, and some steamed broccoli. The direction I'm going to go with this is a more Middle Eastern direction. The flavors that are in the jerk chicken, specifically the allspice, are very common in Middle Eastern food. So I'm going to be making a dressing that pairs with this to pull it all together for a unique experience. While the chicken has been in the fridge for a couple days, it's likely safe, but to be extra safe, you can fry the chicken in a little bit of butter. And it has the added benefit of bringing a little extra fat to the party, and as we know, fat carries flavor. Let's start with about a tablespoon of butter. I like starting my butter in a cold pan and bringing it up to temperature until the point it just melts, and then adding my chicken. As you can hear, a little sizzle there. This has the added benefit of bringing a little extra moisture to the chicken. I'm going to use one of my Vietnamese soup bowls. So quinoa. Remember, we eat with our eyes first, so make it pretty. A little more carrot, and maybe a little more chicken. And we're going to go with a crumple of feta. This will bring a nice little creaminess to the salad. Let's make the dressing. For my dressing, I'm going to be using a bit of salt and pepper, bring a bit of garlic to the party, and for my acids, I'm going to use a combination of orange juice and vinegar. For a bit of sweetness, but also tartness, I'm going to be using pomegranate molasses, and for the fat, I'm going to be using a bit of tahini and olive oil. Give it a go, Trent.
Well, that'll do it. Yeah, you can really taste the nice flavor of that tahini.
As well as the pomegranate tang. One of the joys of making your own salads is making your own dressing, and I've designed this specifically to go with this salad so that it will bring all the flavors together. Let's bring this all together. Just drizzle your dressing on. There you go, a little bit more. There you go. And there you have it. A lovely, delicious jerk chicken quinoa salad. This is a fork and spoon meal. Let's get to it. Mix around, get everything nicely distributed. Doesn't have to be pretty, but it'll be tasty. All right, let's have a taste of this. Get a little bit of quinoa, get a little broccoli, and let's get a little piece of chicken in here. That's delicious. The Middle Eastern flavors with the pomegranate and the tahini paired beautifully with the jerk chicken. And there you have it, jerk chicken quinoa salad. Easy to throw together when you have everything on hand. Question: what item do you like to cook and have around as your multitasker? Put it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe. And in the meantime, keep maximizing life's small pleasures.